Hello everybody, welcome to free online web development environment. In this course I'm going to share with you some few online and web development environment that you can use to build your JavaScript project and PHP, Python and so on and so forth. So let's begin with the first one. On my screen I have your CodePen. You can start coding. You can type, you have a HTML, CSS. So I'm just going to make it real quick because I don't want this video to be long. So you can sign up or log in. So there are a lot of things that you can learn from here, and it's for free. So make sure you check it out. So let's go to the next one. The next one is JetBeans. It's a very also good code editor environment. You can write everything there, and then you run it. See, these are all your HTML file. You can preview CSS, JavaScript. After you can run it. So this is the output. If it was HTML, let's go to it was HTML. We can just run the HTML here. This is the output. So make sure you check out this one, and let's go to the next one. Don't worry, I'm going to put the link down below. So let's go to the next one. This one is jsfidel.net. So this is another also good web environment site that you can use. We have here CSS, we have here HTML, and here we have Java. You can get your result from here, and you can also sign in. So this is another site, don't forget to check it out. And the next one is blank.co. It's another very good platform to also experiment, play around with some code like JavaScript, HTML and so on and so forth. Blank is the best tool to prototype, experiment, share and debug your idea on the web platform, from ideas to implementation. So you can check out this one. Let's go to the next. You have here tablet.com. So tablet is also another good web environment platform where you can play with your HTML code and so on and so forth. Yeah, here HTML. So you can start typing here. We have a JS, which is JavaScript. So if you see everything, don't forget to check it out, and you can log in. It is for free. You can get the result. So everything that they have written here is the result. Is the color and everything. This is the result. So if you go to JavaScript, you can take result. Here you see hello world. Go here, so CSS. Don't forget to check this one out, and let's go to the last but not the least. Here is a LiveWave. It's also another great place also to experiment with your code. You can log in. You can put night mode. I love night mode, so I did not want to make this video to be too long. That's why I just show you people, you know. So guys, this is what I have for this video to share. Do not forget to check it out and play around with it. Remember, code is all about playing around, hand on hand. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more video, more update on web development, mobile and so on and so forth, even machine learning, precisely also Python.